So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install your crochet locks. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Odichi. If this is your first time here, we're glad to have you here and I hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install your crochet locks. I did the locks myself and I'm so sorry that I couldn't get a video or a clip showing you guys how I did it. To be honest, I actually didn't think I would film this whole process, but I'm like, well, what you would want to do is to part your hair according to the number of locks you have, crochet locks you have. If this is what you're interested in, please keep watching and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. What you would want to do first is to get your locks ready and get a kinky extension. Now that I've gotten this ready, the next thing would be to open this up, fix my hair through it, carry it like this to the roots. Now you see, this is how it is and that's how I'm going to wrap, so keep watching. So I don't know, I can't exactly see what I'm wrapping, but this is basically how I do my crochet locks. And that is how I install my locks. So I will do about 2 to 3 more processes for you guys to see and get into it.
Two hours later.
is the finished look, and with that we've come to the end of today's video. If you found this video interesting or if it was of help to you, please don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back. See you next time.